How to send clips on Xbox Gamebar. So, sharing game clips and screenshots. So when you record game clips and capture screenshots, you can share those highlights with a close friends or entire gaming communities. And to do that, simply just follow these steps. So first, open the Xbox Gamebar. So press the Windows key plus G to open the Gamebar overlay. And then access the gallery. So in the Gamebar menu, select the widget menu and then find the gallery button. And from there, find your clips or your screenshots and navigate to the clip or screenshot you want to share. And then open the file location. So select the file, open file location to open the folder where your clips are stored. And then lastly, share the clip. So choose your preferred method for sharing the clip. You can copy the file and paste it into a message or upload it to a cloud storage service or use a social media app to share it. So for Xbox console clips, you can share them directly to Xbox Live through your activity feed, clubs, or messages. You can also share console clips to your mobile device via the Xbox app. And that's how you can send clips on Xbox Game Bar.